Hi everyone, this is Travel Towner, and today we are in the Everglades of Florida, west of Miami at the Shark Valley Observation Tower for a walking tour. Now, if you'd like to visit Shark Valley, the only way to get there is by National Park Tram, as they do not allow personal vehicles. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching these videos. I really appreciate it. And if you love what you see, please consider liking, commenting, and sharing these videos with your friends. And if you really like these videos, the best thing you can do is subscribe to this channel so you can see whenever I put more videos out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the road.